Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Friday and then today, Monday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past, so that is where this green line here is coming from, which segues into the first update that needs to be made. And that update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 94 cents has been a pretty significant area of support. I mean, you go back through the history of things, and you can see just a whole bunch of times this area has done a great job of holding as support, but including earlier on in the day today, but then eventually the price fell below it, and as the rule states, you'd expect it to act as resistance, and that is exactly what happened right there when the price tried to get up above it and no longer could maintain above that level. So I'm not saying 94 cents, can never be broken up above or anything like that. I'm just saying that now if the price is going to get any sort of bounce to the upside, 94 cents certainly becomes that first, an initial key level of resistance that'll have to be broken. As far as levels of support are concerned now, in order to cover this, the next key level to keep an eye on is going to be that former breakout point down there around 90 cents. There is no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So just because 93 has been broken, does not mean that for sure, or excuse me, because, the level up here at 94-ish has been broken, does not mean that for sure the price is going down to 90 cents. But at this point, just given that there aren't any other potential levels of support, technically speaking, it wouldn't be very shocking, and it's not like it's that far off. So it's not like it's any sort of gutsy call on my part. Quite conservative given the context of things. And just in case something crazier happens, if 90 cents cannot hold, the next key level after that to keep an eye on would be down there right around 85 cents. So 90 cents, 85, next couple of key markers going forward. Big picture though, the price is starting to fall apart here a little bit. And I say a little bit because it's not like the price came down here to the, that line and then just completely got crushed to the downside. Point being that the price is starting to put in those lower highs, and now that level of support has been broken. So again, not saying the chart is totally destroyed, but yeah, there is that little bit of aspect of things kind of looking pretty shaky here. The good news is the week is young, still 4 days left to try to turn things around, so we'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.